Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Airtable automations to make.com. The process is going to be very simple and easy. We're going to have here two accounts, one on make.com and the second one is going to be obviously on Airtable. Now, once you have set that and you have seen that it is going to be the case, so basically you need to not convince, but basically you're going to assure that you have a project on Airtable, and also you have set up the, as you can see, account on the make.com. So once you are here, what we're going to do is to head over Airtable, and now, what are we going to do? Of course, we need to set up a project or a workspace first. Then we're going to head over our account or the favicon of the account here. Now, we are going to click on account and we're going to scroll down a little bit. In here, you're going to see the API or the access keys. So we are going to head over the developer hub by clicking on this, as you can see, yellow or this orange. I don't know here what is the exact color of this specific message. Click on here. It will take you to the API keys and we are going to create a token. So we are going to create a token and then we are going to name it. Basically, we're going to have here the name, for example, maybe we're going to put make token, for example, or make.com token, which is going to be better. And then we can go ahead and add some scopes. Basically, we are going to have here read scopes. So we can go ahead and have here data read, as you can see, records, and also writing read scopes, right? So we are going to have here data record write, and we're going to have another scope, which is going to be here, the last one. The third one is going to be schema base, like that. So we are going to have the schema or schema. Now we're going to have here the access. Of course, we are going to add a base, which is going to be the product of ours. So basically, I have only one project, and then we're going to create the token. You can go ahead and copy the token, and in the meanwhile, you're going to head over make, and after that, you're going to sign in for an account, and then we are going to head over here, click on connections. When you click on connections, you're going to open the scenario builder, and from here, we're going to see the specific scenario builder. Now, what we're going to do is to click on the plus button and we're going to head over Airtable. As you can see, we are going to find it in here. In case you're not going to find it on all apps, you can go ahead and type in on the search bar Airtable, just like that, and you're going to see it. Click on that, and then you're going to select one of the records. For example, we have watch records, watch responses, search record, get a record, create a record, and etc. So we are going to choose one of the records in here. So basically, we are going to have here the watch responses because it is going to be the trigger or the automations that you are going to set on Airtable. So we are going to have here, we are going to create a webhook. Then you can go ahead and name the table as webhook. Now you can go ahead and set up the things in here or add some whatever you want. You're going to have it in here, but I do not see that the activation is going to be set up. So we are going to create a new activation for Airtable, and we are going to have here set up the thing. So we are going to set up the second Airtable, as you can see here, connection. And this connection is going to need a connection like that. So we are going to need it. And as you can see, we have Airtable token. And we're going to have the personal token in here. So we are going to have it. You can go ahead and select the connection type, which is going to be token or key. Airtable here, name, I'm going to let it as it is. The token type, we're going to have an access token. And we are going to click on save. Now we have saved it. Normally it is going to set up here. So we are going to, it will detect the base since it is going to be the data management. It is going to be the data management. and you can go ahead and select the table. For example, here we have multiple tables. You're going to head over your Airtable, and then you're going to have the specific, as you can see here, the tables. Now you're going to select one of these. So, for example, we're going to have the project maybe, and then you're going to set up the record. And after that, you're going to have something like, I don't know, here, you're going to set up something and then you're going to save it. And after that, you need or you have set up everything. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.